The cosmic antidote to envy. Imagine a mental switch that could instantly dissolve jealousy, quiet the nagging voice comparing you to others, and replace it with profound tranquility. This isn't science fiction. It's a 2,000-year-old psychological tool wielded by Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor who ruled an empire while warring with barbarians, enduring betrayals, and battling chronic illness. His secret? The Stoic view from above, a radical perspective-shifting exercise meticulously recorded in his personal journal. This practice doesn't just offer temporary relief, it rewires your perception of reality by catapulting your mind beyond the narrow confines of ego into the infinite theater of the cosmos. At its heart lies a simple but staggering revelation. When viewed against the backdrop of space and time, our envy-triggering obsessions, whether someone's wealth, status, or achievements, crumble into cosmic insignificance. Picture this. You mentally zoom out like a satellite leaving Earth's atmosphere. First, you see your own anxious face, then your street, your city shrinking to a speck, continents folding into a blue marble, and finally our planet vanishing into a dust mote adrift in a galaxy. Simultaneously, you stretch time, back to ancient civilizations that rose and fell, forward to epochs when no memory of you or anyone you envy will remain. Marcus captured this vividly. Take a view from above. See the countless gatherings and ceremonies, endless comings and goings. Reflect on life lived long before you and life that will surge after you. Realize how ephemeral fame and struggles truly are. This wasn't nihilism, it was liberation. For Marcus, besieged by palace intrigues and Germanic invasions, this aerial vantage revealed imperial power struggles as fleeting as ants dragging straw, freeing him to focus on justice and duty without ego. Today, neuroscientists and psychologists recognize this ancient technique as strikingly modern. It mirrors the overview effect described by astronauts who return from space humbled, their earthly rivalries softened by seeing humanity's shared fragility. Cognitive behavioral therapists deploy similar distancing strategies to diffuse toxic thoughts. A 2023 study even linked Stoic practices to reduced social comparison, though cultural nuances apply, proving its adaptability. Why does this mental zoom-out work? Envy thrives on myopia. We fixate on a colleague's promotion or a neighbor's luxury car as if they're monumental. But from 10,000 light-years away, those obsessions evaporate. Your achievements and failures alike become threads in a vast, indifferent universe. Marcus phrased it brutally. On how tiny a clod of earth do you crawl? The implications are transformative. First, it vaporizes the illusion of centrality, that nagging sense that your status matters in an infinite universe. Second, it replaces comparison with gratitude. While envying another's career, the cosmic view highlights your improbable existence amid swirling galaxies. Third, it refocuses energy internally. Stoics like Seneca warned, comparison is the thief of joy, urging us to compete only with our past selves. By exposing the absurdity of measuring ourselves against others' transient wins, the view from above redirects us toward lasting virtues, courage, wisdom, integrity, the only pursuits that endure when stars burn out. Ready to dissolve envy? Let's ascend.